Google just dropped major AI upgrades to Workspace, and they could completely change how you work. Imagine automating complex tasks across Docs, Sheets, and Drive with a few simple words, or getting your document turned into a podcast-style summary instantly. That's exactly what's coming. Before we dive into the details, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about how you use Google Workspace. First up, Google is launching something called Workspace Flows. This new tool automates multi-step tasks like updating spreadsheets or pulling info from documents. You just describe what you want in plain language, and Workspace Flows builds the logic for you. It even works with Google's AI chatbots called Gems and can connect to apps like Google Drive and even third-party tools. Docs is also getting a powerful upgrade. Soon, you'll be able to convert any draft into a podcast-style audio overview, similar to what Notebook LM does. There's also a new feature called Help Me Refine, which will suggest ways to improve arguments, clarify structure, and strengthen your message. In Google Sheets, a new tool called Help Me Analyze is set to roll out later this year. It'll guide you through data analysis, highlight trends, and help create interactive charts with ease. Google Meet is also getting smarter. A feature called Take Notes For Me will summarize discussions and highlight specific topics from your calls automatically. And in Google Chat, you'll soon be able to summon Google's Gemini chatbot by simply typing @Gemini in any conversation. Let's not forget about video. Google's AI-powered app, Google Vids, will soon generate video clips using the new VO2 model, making video content creation faster and smarter than ever. Finally, for businesses that need to stay compliant with regulations like the EU's GDPR, Google is adding new data residency controls, letting you decide where your data is processed. Google is clearly pushing to make Workspace a true AI-first platform, and it's doing it fast. If you're excited about these updates, be sure to check out the related video in the corner to learn more about how AI is reshaping your everyday tools.